Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Aghniya RAHMAH dari kelas 12 IPS 3. Di sini saya akan membuat kerajinan seni rupa 3 dimensi, yaitu membuat maket air terjun.
Calling you late at night, talking about nothing, but we're always laughing. This time conversation, they raise my affections. Those were the good times, and I miss the old times. Have I told you lately that I miss you badly? Sometimes I wish that I could still call you mine, still call you mine. Now all I've got is the stain on my blue jeans. The only way I could remember that you were once mine. Your voice were lullabies. I would be listening till I was sleeping, but our situations, it stopped our relations. Why did we end it? Don't want to believe it, 'cause I'm feeling lately that I miss you badly. Sometimes I wish that I could still call you mine, still call you mine. Now all I've got is the stain on my blue jeans. The only way I could remember that you were once mine. Sometimes I wish that I could still call you mine, still call you mine. Now all I've got is the stain on my blue jeans. The only way I could remember that you were once mine. Have I told you lately that I miss you badly? Sometimes I wish that I could still call you mine, still call you mine. Now all I've got is the stain on.
Itu adalah hasil dari karya seni yang saya buat. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.